Hi everyone, welcome to Life with Makajeni. I am Umakajeni. On this channel, we are unpacking all the trending topics, and today's topic is about Ukoko Skoteni. Guys, Koko Skoteni was live today, and she said Ukishola Amalochola. I don't know whether this news 100%, but even so, Dr. Myth on TikTok, I confirm what yes, indeed, Ukoko Skoteni today, Ukishola amalobolo. But guys, me knowing Ukoko Skoteni, we know that Ukoko Skoteni love fashion, love being beautiful. I don't think Ukoko Skoteni bangakhishela amalobolo agcoke kanjeni. Yes, impahla zakhe zinhle, but knowing Ukoko Skoteni, I don't think Ukoko Skoteni bangakhishela amalobolo agcoke ngalo lahlobo agcoke ngalo. Ukoko Skoteni engimaziyo mina bakayothungisa becoming Mrs. And uthe amalobolo lo muntu omkhiphela amalobolo is not uMonde Shanya, which we know ukuthi nayo le nje ukuthi ibe iqiniso amaphesenti akhona mancane kakhulu. I don't think it's true. I don't think uGugu Skoteni noMonde Shanya bazoke bahlukana, because if I remember Monde Shanga uthe he'll do anything emandleni wakhe that is in his power ukuthi abuyele efamilini yakhe, and we've seen most recently that Gugu Skoteni and uMonde, they were doing a TikTok video together Gogo Skoteni or kwabo, because they once lived together esentini, but that time bahlukene uMonde Shanga moved back to Harrismith. So they were doing videos of TikTok videos, and they were going live together. I don't think bahlukene, even though this week Gogo Skoteni uthe makaspila amabhins ukuthi Coco Mercedes, who was once a friend, even though on that live uthe bona bangasabanga, just that Coco Mercedes wanted to be her friend badly, ngalendlela ukuthi waze wagcine sekaseyenza ucansi nabantu bakibo Gogo Skoteni, yangabrada Gogo Skoteni nobhuti Gogo Skoteni omdala Gogo Skoteni. Uthi yena umgogo Mercedes ayiphela lapho Gogo Mercedes uke WhatsApp umyeni wakhe wamtshela ukuthi uphuphe bayenza ucansi. So vele uMonde wathi iphupho malifezeke, yena ushilo ukuthi indaba zakhe soziva ngaye yena noMonde they are no longer together. Officially we all know guys ukuthi lento le ayikho, leyo into engekho. So uyibonile Gogo Skoteni icalculate lento le ukuthi you know what, mangayenza ama live during the weekend ngithi angisekho noMonde, angisathandani noMonde, then weekend ngibuye ngithi you know what, khona umuntu ongikhokhelele elobola. Abantu bazobelieve. Yes, we also i-ring aveze ring. I think banoMonde since bake bahlukana. A lot of couples benza kanjalo guys, bake bahlukana, so vele izo understanding mababuyelana bafakana ama-ring amasha, even though whether leyani sesokhona noma uGugu Skoteni mhlambe wayelahla out of anger, because we know with that time bahlukana uGugu Skoteni said uMonde bekamtrapa and bongasekho right, and is from isimo abadlule kuso. Uyazi kuba nomntana ogulayo guys, niyahlangahlangana. I'm not justifying izenzo zakaMonde. Yes, uMonde was wrong, and I still believe ukuthi akekho umuntu ene-right okushaya omunye umuntu, but nabo bake basho futhi ukuthi ukugula komntana abo bokubayenza ukuthi yabo babe stressed. Vele niba stressed and you blame each other. Ngaphandle noma endlini ingaguli, noma ngabe kugula umamakho, la endlini aniphathani kahle nama-siblings wakho, nama-siblings, as ama-siblings you'll fight guys. So it is understandable ukuthi bona inkinga zabo ey'ningi mhlambe bastressa ukuthi banengane engekho right, we understand. So now mhlambe nokushona kwengane yabo bayenza ukuthi babuyelane and babone ukuthi yes, ngiyamthanda unkosikazi wami noGugu Skoteni, abone ukuthi you know what, I truly love umyeni wami. But indaba yamalobolo guys, mina I don't believe it guys. Just remember lo muntu wacamba on national TV, wacamba manga wathi uSkoteni ucela ukuthi athathe isithembu, even though she later said bokuyi-content and uMonde knew ukuthi ayikho lento le, but into ayenzile ukuthi athole ama-viewers. And mina seeing life kaGugu Skoteni, I think une-content eningi akadingeki ukuthi acamba amanga, but we don't know mhlambe le nto yena uyithatha njengokudlala. We know uzoba live uzosho ukuthi what was really happening. Abanye abantu guys they are thinking ukuthi mhlambe bagezela uBoyo, since uBoyo I think kunaye 3 months ashonile or 5, I'm not sure, but I think kunaye 5 months 4 months ashonile. So ngiyacabanga nje ukuthi mhlambe bayageza manje bagezela uBoyo. We don't know what's really happening, but if uGugu Skoteni uthola umyeni omusha, congratulations uGugu Skoteni. Same ukuthi banomyeni wakhe bazothandana baphathane kahle. And even though if uyalana noMonde as naye shilo ukuthi banoMonde akusinto engako yenza ukuthi bacabane, just that they were both stressed. So congratulations to them guys. Do comment down below, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.